Hi, what's up guys? Welcome back to 1 Minute School. In this video, I'm gonna show you an Upwork problem. So in this video, you can see that you can't turn on the badge because your profile is set to private or unavailable. So I'm gonna fix this problem. So let's do it. Now click on your profile setting. Then you can go on profile setting. Yep, that's it. Now we can see an interface like that, and we can see here visibility option. Now click on the box and select public. That's it. Now, yep, just save it. So that's done. Now go back to your Upwork account and click on that. Click on the option. Now turn on. Now you can see option like that. Turn on. That's it. Now you can see that my profile is available now. So guys, if you face this kind of problem, do subscribe 1 Minute School. Let's see you in the next video.